Alright, this is the other elevator here at Plaza Serranía in Monterrey, Mexico. This is also a Kone installed in 2017. It's a Monoscape. This is an updated take. I originally filmed this back in 2021. So, here's the floor guide. This is going to be a quick ride because I'm in such a kind of rush. So, there's your MP right there. We're here at PB. Hey, look at the doors. Hey. Why don't we look at it coming down? So, just move that chair. There's your shaft right there. Hey, here it comes. And here it is. Let me just point this away. All right, we're gonna go up to 1. There's people running here at 1. Here's your beautiful view of the mountain beneath us. Down to -2. There's that beautiful view. We're at -2. All right, up to PB. We're gonna end it there. Let's do a cab view. Shows your really nice Kone Monoscape elevator. Here are the fixtures along with the indicator here at PB. There's people from the gym that are running up them. All right, I'm gonna point this down. Again, there's the other one we rode. All right. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.